folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're catching up with Max and Rachel. We're going to a town called El Triunfo right now to meet up with them. We're also adding a second couple to our posse named Sam and Carly. They're from BC, so some fellow Canadians. And once we all meet up, we're gonna go and do some exploring. What we're hoping to find are some hot springs and some cool places to go for a swim. And then after that, we're gonna go to the southeast crest of the Baja Peninsula and travel a dirt road along the beach all the way down to Cabo San Lucas. So yeah, we're stoked for that. Let's get after it. Woohoo! There's the second half of our posse.
After meeting up with our pals in El Triunfo, we set out on a short but sweet exploration of the small town. El Triunfo is a mine town, established in the late 1700s by a man named Manuel de Ocio. The town experienced a gold rush in 1862 and by roughly 1878 was the largest town in Baja Sur with approximately 10,000 inhabitants. By 1926, the mine had shut down and most inhabitants had left in search of other work. This 47-meter-high smokestack, a notable feature in El Triunfo, is called La Ramona, after Saint Raymond. After 100 years of standing strong, the smokestack toppled in an earthquake. In 2018, it was reconstructed by the International Community Foundation. Not only does El Triunfo have a rich industrial history, it also has an excellent bakery and even better ice cream.
Pineapple orange. And what is this? It's creamsicle. It's orange and cream. That's the cream, orange and cream one.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Mango?
You're gonna try it?
Oh, this is the orange creamsicle. Ooh.
When all the ice cream had been consumed and our appetite satisfied, it was time to move on down the road towards the coast. The town of Los Barriles was next on our list, and something we all had on our minds when we arrived was margaritas and tacos.
Look at all those fine looking vehicles. Look at those. Oh my word.
Can you say treat day?
Okay guys, cheers to being in Mexico. Cheers.
It tastes like a season.
Getting drunk tonight.
It's a lot of tequila.
Oh, yeah.
More time.
Ooh, smells good. It's great.
Watson, I'm not giving you any taco.
Yeah. We're off to the beach now. Time to go sleep by the ocean, which isn't so bad, I suppose. For some reason, I'm talking in a Scottish accent. I don't know why. It might be the margarita in me. No one can really explain why this happens, but it certainly does. She likes it though.
Yeah. Bite Megan.
Bites Megan. No. I mean, yes. I mean, I do that all the time anyway. Just a leisurely drive to the beachfront. This is top quality Mexican road construction right here. Well, it looks like we found our spot for the night. Mesa! Mesa!
Tequila!
Do this.
I'm not taking a shot. You need those hands. You
there you go.
One
Yeah.
to take your one. So you should have a bigger.
But apparently I'm the
No,
child
you gotta
of the
take
group,
it.
even though I'm the oldest person here. The only one that's never had a tequila shot.
Tequila!
I mean, it's good. It's good, but
At least it's cold.
Good work!
I don't like
After finding our beach spot for the night and downing a tequila shot or two, we settled into a relaxing night of friendly banter before retiring to the vans to be lulled to sleep by waves lapping on the beach.
That's not creepy at all. Moo! That water is so nice. So nice.
You guys, are you super ultra refreshed?
Oh, yeah.
Ready to take on the day?
Ready. Carpe diem. Seize the carp.
Beach life on the southern peninsula has been good to us. We've enjoyed epic sunrises, slow mornings with early morning swims, and lots of sea life viewing. But we're nomadic by nature, which means it always comes time to move eventually, and today was no different. We had our eyes set on making it to the Sierra. We had learned of a place in the Sierra de la Laguna called Rancho San Dionisio.
Meg found yet another friend. I love you. Buddy. Yeah, good boy. I want scratches from you now. Oh, hello. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, 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 yeah. Come on, hurry up. Let's go. Got places to be, things to see.
After weeks of bumming on the beach, we were in need of some peace and quiet, shelter from the wind, and fresh water. It looked as though this overlander's ranch located in the mountains might have all of that. Turning inland at the town of Santiago, we aired down our tires and hit the dirt road for an hour or so of Baja miles. Washboard, sand, dust, and sharp bends, we were certain that we were in for an adventure.
Oh god. Oh god.
Well, we have reached our location. Phew.
A vacation.
Yeah, this is a vacation, right? So we got Runaway Matt and Cass and Galaxy Tripper over there. Galaxy Overland. Well, this is pretty cozy. Got our little triangle of vehicles here. Okay, we got Awning Town going. Now Max is gonna try the tent so you can get it out. Yeah, boy, get it. Lime. Time for some alcohol. Ah, just sprayed myself in the eyeball again. Cheers. Cheers.
We happened upon Rancho San Dionisio right before they were about to put on a community barbecue, complete with a mariachi band. The carne asada tacos and veggies from the Rancho garden were supremely delicious. The company surrounding us only made the experience that much richer.
We are heading to the river to see what it is all about. This place is incredible. Absolutely incredible.
Oh, dog shit.
Oh, dog shit. There's dog shit everywhere. Just incredible. Wow. This is incredible. Oh, hello. Hey there, gorgeous.
Hello.
The water running down from the mountain spring was cool, crisp, and clean. We had found exactly what we were looking for. The following sunset plunged the area into darkness and utter silence. We hadn't slept so well in a long time. When we awoke, we stepped into a lush paradise full of the sounds of the morning birds and the low murmur of our neighbors as they sipped their morning coffee.
Yeah, we should enjoy the cookies.
We got fresh made oatmeal date cookies. We may have found paradise.
We both want to thank you for being here along with us. We really appreciate you watching our videos. The time and effort that goes into bringing you these little stories is a lot, but we enjoy it. If you enjoy our content and want to help us get a little better known, the best thing you can do for us is simply like, comment, and subscribe. We've got lots of adventure coming your way, so stay tuned. And until next time, remember to keep on roaming.